Today I'm sharing the Igloo Trailmate Soft Cooler. This is a backpack cooler with so many awesome features. I was inspired to get a backpack cooler after using a friend's Arctic cooler recently. The downfall with the Arctic cooler was it was a little too small and we could not fit all of our drinks plus ice and snacks. So I found the Igloo cooler, which I liked much more just because it was larger, and I also like the appearance of it. It has this great soft padded back area that makes it really comfortable when you're putting the backpack on. This is a larger backpack, so if you're someone who is petite, it might be just something to keep in mind, but it has this really nice adjustable area that just helps you to balance the backpack on your back. It also comes with this really cool bottle opener, which is handy if you're at the lake and you forget yours. It has a 2-zipper closure here at the top and a lot of room inside. They say that it can hold up to 24 cans. When we took it on the lake, we were able to put a lot of different drinks, and I put some salad in there and other snacks. So we had this thing loaded up and I didn't feel like we had to leave or compromise anything. This side pouch has to be my absolute favorite because a lot of my coolers do not have this, and we were able to put a lot of items in here such as a phone, keys, extra food, silverware. I mean, there was just so many items that my friends asked me to hold for them when we were out on the lake. And because there are 2 handles on each side of the cooler, it made it great for putting the carabiners on the handles and attaching it to my stand-up paddleboard. The bottom is made of this really durable material, and from what I read in the reviews, it does not get very dirty even though it's this white color. But if white is not your thing, they have 2 other shades that I believe are a blue and sort of a greenish color. In terms of performance, I was very impressed with how long the ice still stayed frozen. So 24 hours later, I had several of these little ice packs and our ice still frozen, and everything that was left overnight in the cooler was still cold. So that was very reassuring. And that was also after we had the cooler strapped in 90-degree weather for several hours on the stand-up paddleboard, then taking it home and letting it sit overnight. With the height of just over 19 inches and the width over 14 inches, this cooler checked off all the boxes for me. I love all the handles, the extra storage, and how long it kept our food and drink cold.